Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you this website. I'll be talking about this website here. This is a website I just discovered where you can make money online just by doing surveys. Yes, and I think that this website have belongs that this website have been existing, but I'm just discovering it. I don't know if you guys still know it. So that's why I decided to make this video so that you too can actually see it. So this website just majorly for survey. You can see it, hot surveys. Yeah, and once you scroll down, you see a lot of surveys here. The first, once you get to this website and you register, you will be given a $1. Yes, you'll be given free $1 as a welcome bonus, which is 0.66 euro. Yeah, so that is what you'll be getting when you sign up to this website. Yeah, once you already signed up, then you have to do this one here. I've not done it. Yeah, but I've done it in my second account. I have 2 to 3 accounts on this grab on this website. Yes, so this is the third one that I'm just using it to do an example. So this one you have to confirm your mail. Once you click on this start, they will send you an email to the email you used to register, and so you'll be able to get you're able to go there and confirm. Once you confirm, you'll be given $0.02. That is just a small money share, yeah, but you just be giving that. So at the end of the video, I'll be showing how you can register, yes, and so how you can get the link to register. So once you get there, you see a lot of survey here. You can just keep on scrolling. But the thing is, if you don't do one, the others will open. So you have to first of all complete one. Once you are done with the first one, then the other will open for you to do, and so and so. Yeah, this website is really amazing. Yes, for sometimes that I spent on it now, it's have really be amazing. So let me just click on this one so you can see it, what I'm talking about. Click on this first one. Okay, so this is the first one. Once you get to the first one, you see they ask you for your gender, your mobile zip code, all these questions. Then once I've done it myself once, so I know how this kind of question look like. So just for you to just fill everything. Once you fill everything, then you click on continue. Other questions will come up until you answer all the whole question. Then you click on done. This continue will turn to done. Then your money will be sent, will be added here. Yeah, that is it for this website. Yeah, so that is it. So this is just a lot of this. So once you still scroll down, and one thing you should know is that you can see there, if you check where you see there are some that are up to 2.50, 2.5 euro, 1.1 euro, 1.90 euro, which is most of these things are even more than $1. Yeah, they are more than $1. Yeah, this one is equal to $1, which is 0.9. Yes, even more than $1. You can see that this website is really paying their people very well. So these are some of the places these are some of the platforms that are partnering with them. You can just click on any of them to go get into it. Then you will see other surveys for you to answer. But there's some things you have to take note. If not, you might be doing a survey and you will just be kicked out of the survey and you will lose your money. Sometimes you might actually still lose your account. So what are the things you have to take note when offering the survey? So another one is how to succeed with grab one and paid survey. Yes, take your time. Yes, take your time. Don't rush it. Stay honest. Provide your honest answer. Yes, make sure you are truthful in all your answer. Be yourself. Yes, don't use fake personal identity. Use your real personal identity. And this one, keep trying. Yes, and always update your profile. Once you have other things to do in your profile, keep on updating and always show up, because if you are not answering the survey, there are times scheduled for it, and as time goes on, most of the surveys will go out. Yeah, they will. You just see that no survey again here, because they see that you are not serious, so they won't be giving you surveys to answer again. So that is just it. For you to register for this on this website. It's not hard at all. It's very simple. So I'll be showing you how to register right now. For you to sign up, this is the dashboard that you will see. Yes, if you want to sign up. So can you see this place here? Sign up. That's where you already are. And you can see here, sign up now and claim your $1 free bonus. That is, once you sign up, you'll be given $1 free bonus here. So that just it. So to sign up, you can either use your Google to sign up, you can use your Facebook to sign up, or you can use your email to sign up. So in this video, I'll be using my email to sign up. Just as simple as that. So to use email to sign up, just click on the email part and type in your email. Then you put in your password. Then once you are done, come here and check this box. Then you click on create account. It seems that I can't create another account on this browser I'm using right now. You can see multiple accounts is considered fraudulent and it's not permitted. If you require assistance locating your account, please submit a ticket. So you can see it here. So I can't create another account on this thing on this phone. Like they have taken note of my phone, I guess so. Because two accounts I created before, I used my second phone and my laptop. So that's what I used to create the account. So first time using this phone, yes. So I'm trying to use this phone to create another account, and it's showing this like they have taken note of my IP address. I guess so that, but it's not just for you to just click on this, just create account, and it's just as simple as that. It's already ready. So once you have created an account, then start doing your survey. But the first survey they will give you to do for you to put in your information like your name, your date of birth, and stuff like that. So that is just it's just as simple as that. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw from it, because I've not gotten to the withdrawal threshold. Before next week, I guess I'll be getting to the withdrawal threshold, and I'll be showing you how you can withdraw from this website. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video is not long. Yes, because most of my subscribers have been complaining that my videos are too long. So that's why I decided to just make this as short as possible. Thanks for watching, and I will see you.